Who are you, and what does your organization represent in the context of industrial innovation?
Hi, I'm Mattio Vanazzi. I'm the CTO and co-founder of 𝗍𝗍. 𝗍𝗍 is an Italian startup dealing with the production of raw material, feedstock for additive manufacturing. Our company provides an alternative approach by which we can produce high-quality feedstock by recycling and upcycling metal scrap. We have entered in the business in 2020, and since that time we deal with the production of this material for circular economy practices.
Why did you choose to participate in the 𝗍𝗍 project?
Our company is very active in international collaboration and European projects. We used to be part of other projects and collaborate with other stakeholders, and because of this network of collaboration we have been invited to join 𝗍𝗍, since 𝗍𝗍 is also very relevant for our core business and our value proposition.
What is your specific role within the project?
In the 𝗍𝗍 project, 𝗍𝗍 covers different roles. In the very beginning of the project, 𝗍𝗍 will support the companies dealing with the life cycle assessment analysis for the collection of first-hand data and also to double-check the results of the analysis. Later, we will also contribute in the digital product passport definition and also to support our partners by providing powder for their processes and technologies.
What excites you the most about the 𝗍𝗍 project?
The 𝗍𝗍 project is willing to develop tools which for us are very valuable. The diagonal tool will increase the awareness of the community in relation to the sustainability practices and the most environmental friendly process. We believe that this will be very helpful for the community to better understand about these topics.
In your opinion, what should 𝗍𝗍 achieve by the end of the project? Who should benefit from its outcomes, and how do you imagine these results being used in practice?
Definitely the results and objectives of 𝗍𝗍 are very challenging and very high reward. We believe that if by the end of the project we will be able to complete the diagonal platform, and we'll definitely be able to, this will be of great value, and this will help also the partners not being part of the project to get advantage of the same tool.
How do you imagine the future impact of 𝗍𝗍 on your organization or your sector?
Since our company produces feedstock for additive manufacturing from sustainable practices, we hope that by increasing the awareness in the community towards these practices, we can increase our market shares and being able to target new customers and new industry fields.